Well, it has to show it like this. This is the right answer. You have 1000 overwritten with the 5000, and you have 600 overwritten with the profit of sales 3000. So that one, it has to show the end result. It should be shown in active data table. Here, when you execute this, you will see 1000 and 600, which are the new, new records. So let's, maybe the behavior is because we just loaded, and let's see it from here. It is showing wrong values, change log itself.
Are you viewing the data?
Yeah, this is the change log table.
Oh, okay. I think I'm experiencing some delays because I'm not seeing it.
Okay. The data is in active data table, which is the result. So changes are logged in change log table. In active data table, you have seen that it is successfully overwritten the previous values, and bill amount you can see 1000, and profit of sales 6600 here, which is the last record. So this record is overwritten on this record. So that is the basic functionality, uh, and we have seen the summation. So that is it for for the DSOs, and here you can see that I've created business content. We are going to discuss business content, but while activation of business content, we have to wait till the it is fixed, the problem is fixed. So here, what is the problem is, here there are source systems tab. I hope these guys will fix the problem. Previously it was not fixed. Previously when I was taking class, I was not able to see. Here there is a T9, which is the source system for ECC, and when you right click on this, you can see this is not activated, right? Only one source system is activated, so all of these are not activated. So when you right click on this and click to activate, tomorrow, if it's, we have to discuss this one before generic data sources, because this is application specific and this is SAP given data sources. So it is very easy to install. It just takes some time to install, like 1 hour, etc. So generally it installs when you have I will show you the procedure and options available and the best practices. So uh, it is easy though. You don't have to worry about that. In real time, all the systems will be maintained very well. Because here the problem I identified by Googling is there must be a mismatch in IP address which they are providing, and I gave them the mail as well for that, and let's see whether they are going to do it or not. Hopefully they'll do that. So we have like we have in data sources two types of data sources basically. One is application specific and cross application. Now we first will discuss the BI content and installation of BI content, and then we'll discuss what are the customer generated data sources, and we can install one of that, and we'll discuss the cross application, which is generic data sources. Here there is this error which will be generally called I will show you what I've done for that. So there is an error. 374 and 375 are the two errors which we got just now. You can see.
Mm-hmm.
So someone before us is, he was facing the same error, and his solution is somehow he's pulled it and managed to fix it. We are getting the error message because we have changed the IP address for the application server. Therefore, we need to update the RFC for both ECC and BI instances. So this is what they have to do, and that is the reason why we are not getting APD as well, because in APD as well you have MDX parser, and for that purpose there is a, when you check RFC you have to go SM59, and I will send by this evening. By tomorrow morning to you. I will send the transaction codes list. I just have to create the list quickly. Here you can see the TCP IP connections. MDX parser. We have tested it before, so let's see. So we can discuss. We will discuss today the business content, and we will. I mean, we will see the installation later. Is that okay?
Okay.
So when there is a no connection from RFC, error means there is no connection between source system and BI system. It is kind of a dummy system. I don't want to complain these guys, but these guys never stop. Never let me do that. I have to. There is no connection at all. We have to work on this, right? So let's see. Say what will happen when you don't have a RFC connection or mismatch. Say you have data sources. For example, you have replicated it, activated it in ECC. When you right click it, what is happening here? Right click it and replicate metadata. There is a option where you have to first activate in ECC and replicate it here. So it won't. Because there is no RFC connection.
Mm-hmm.
You guys done the installation before? Business content installation.
Business content. Yeah, I have.
You have done this? I mean, is that in training or after the training? Have you worked on BI before?
The business content installation?
Yeah.
Yes. I mean, I haven't worked it. I've tried it. Yeah, I've seen it like being done, but I haven't. I don't really know too much. But isn't it
Here,
just going to the BI content and installing whatever you want to use?
yeah. Here we have seen this replication completed successfully, which I was not expecting. So what's happening?
But but what you're doing now is not business content, is it? You're just uh, trying to activate the data source, no?
Source system. No, it's not. You
Oh.
have to replicate the data source, right? That is the part of business content. When you activate the business content, you have to replicate it. These are the all the data sources here are standard data sources. I have shown you the FI data source. So in order to get the replication, you have to do that.
Okay.
And you have to do the installation BI installation here. That's another part. I mean, when you do the let's discuss the BI content today itself, so we can have a clear picture of that. So can I send another what do you say, another link for this business content? Because
To record?
I have the class. Yeah, to record. I have the class
Oh,
name called change log table class.
oh, okay.
Is that okay with you guys or
That's fine with me.
okay?
That's fine
Because
with
it will
me.
have, yeah, that's cool. It will have separate recordings. so
All
that you
right.
can check.